What's going on, y'all? My name's David. We're with RV Family.Life. I've lived in an RV with my family, my wife Tanya, two daughters, Kaylin and Kira, our dog Daisy, and our cat Skittle. We lived for 2 years in an RV, and we are RV Family.Life. We make videos to show you what life is like living in an RV while we travel the United States. So today we are at the KOA Journey in Little Rock, Arkansas. We are making our way cross country, and so we're staying here for one night. It gave us the spacing of trying to do about 300 miles per day as we're working from the East Coast back to San Antonio, Texas for Thanksgiving. We got ourselves a deluxe pull-through site that's got a cement slab. So we are just set up here. We didn't even unhitch, and we will be leaving in the morning as soon as everybody's ready. It's just a nice, easy pull-through spot so we can get going quickly in the morning. Now, this is a KOA Journey. So Journey means it's kind of on the lower end. There's pretty much just three classifications. There's KOA Journey, KOA Holiday, and then a KOA Resort. Resort being the top of the line, probably has the most things to do there. A KOA Journey is kind of aimed more at, just like us, we're passing through. We need a place to stay for the night. We need to know what we can count on, that it's going to be somewhat easy to get into it. Doesn't have to be perfect, doesn't have to be filled with amenities. We just need to be able to rely on a certain amount of amenities as well as the ease of getting in and out. That's important to us. So our site here is cement, but we've got some of the extra stuff going on here. So that's probably a big part of, the grill, the fire pit. I think we may have paid a little bit more than we would have paid for this one right here. Still a pull-through site, but it doesn't have the grill, the patio furniture, the cement slab. I think the difference in price is probably about $10. Not too bad. I did like the position though, because as we came around that corner from the office right there to come in, it was just straight in. It's like, this is the kind of ease that I need after a long 300-mile drive. I noticed we've got some of the classic cabins over here, and there's a bridge to get to them. But it looks like the bridge is closed off, and I don't see how you could drive to those cabins. Perhaps those cabins are out of commission. There is a tetherball, and then there's a small basketball court right here. So if you got somebody that wants to come out here and shoot some hoops for exercise, I would say the pavement is not very level. Be careful when you dribble the ball, it might go all over the place. I don't see any way to park and or walk without going through this ditch down here to get to the KOA cabins over there. And it looks like they've been doing some work back there. They may be out of commission for a little while until they get some projects done. center here. Open 8 to 10. Fitness center and spa, as there's actually a sauna in here. We got some resistance bands, some weights, some free weights. There's even a stereo and little TV over there. Bike, rack, rowing, elliptical, very large fan. This is pretty cool. I wonder how well the sauna works. Tanya's been expressing an interest in using saunas recently. Let's see, we got a light, yeah. I have to ask Tanya if she wants to come in and use this sauna. Get some heat therapy going on. That is pretty cool. I've never seen this at a KOA before. Yep, I set the timer. It's already set to hot. It clicked pretty loud in here. I think I'll turn it back off and then come back and investigate with my wife. If you hear a lot of noise right now, Interstate 40 is real close and I can hear the cars zooming by. Here's the playground inside of a fenced area. Pretty good size, classic swing set. A little bit newer of a treehouse kind of thing over there with a slide. And a digger. Kira loves diggers. Have to bring her over here to check it out. On the other side is the pool. Doesn't look great right now, but it is also not the season for pools. Wow, anyone under 18 must be accompanying the playground. It's a little bit of an awkward thing. I think I could leave my 12-year-old in there to supervise the other kids. Yeah, it's a classic pool. Goes all the way to 8.5 feet deep. That is pretty deep. Obviously, it doesn't look good, but like I said, it is not in season for pools right now, so definitely will not judge them for that. A lot of big, beautiful pines around here, but the spacing on them seems to be pretty good. I mean, granted, that one, the momentum there between the two is pretty tight, but where we pulled into, I felt like the space is just right. You know, for instance, like here where we've got this shed, and when I need to come out and turn here, like those trees there are pushed back further. So I'm not too disappointed in the way that the trees are spaced out. Like if they had left a tree right here, I would be not happy. Hey there, Open Range. Well, thanks for watching this video on the KOA Journey in Little Rock, Arkansas. We hope that you enjoyed it. If you're new here, please consider hitting the subscribe button. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. That tells YouTube that people like this video, and then they'll share it out with more people. We could use the help. Thanks again for watching. Remember that life happens. Don't let it stop you. Stay fresh, cheese bags.